Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived a young woman named Alara. She was known for her kindness and a radiant smile that could brighten the gloomiest of days. Alara had a childhood sweetheart named Adrian, and together they dreamed of a future filled with love and laughter. Tragedy struck when a sudden illness befell Adrian. Despite Alara's desperate efforts to save him, he succumbed to the merciless grasp of the ailment. Heartbroken and devastated, Alara withdrew from the world, her once vibrant spirit now shrouded in grief. As the seasons changed, Alara spent her days visiting the quiet hilltop where she and Adrian used to watch the sunset. One evening, as tears streamed down her face, she noticed a peculiar flower she had never seen before. It radiated a soft, ethereal glow. Alara felt a strange warmth as she touched it, and in that moment, she heard Adrian's voice whispering words of comfort. Determined to uncover the mystery behind the magical flower, Alara sought the guidance of the village elder. He revealed that the flower was a symbol of eternal love and had the power to bring joy, even in the darkest times. The elder explained that Adrian, before his passing, had planted the seed, hoping to bring solace to Alara. Touched by the revelation, Alara embraced the newfound hope. As she cared for the magical flower, its brilliance grew, illuminating not only her heart but the entire village. Word of the miraculous bloom spread, and people flocked to witness the mesmerizing display of love. In the end, Alara's sorrow transformed into a beacon of happiness for everyone around her. The village thrived, and Alara, though forever changed by loss, became a symbol of resilience and the enduring power of love.